In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine air filter on this GMC Acadia. It's located under the hood on the passenger side of the engine compartment, so let's get started. There are 5 Phillips headed screws that hold the top of this airbox in place. Let's unthread all of them. You don't have to remove them all the way, just remove them most of the way and they will stay in the top cover, but we'll let go of the lower part. Once you've done that, you should be able to lift up the top and pull out the air filter. There it is. If you have a bunch of debris in here, leaves, whatever you have here, vacuum it out so that the new air filter doesn't get clogged with debris. Take the new air filter, gently pull this cover up, or the top of it, slide the new air filter down in place and make sure it's fully seated, nice and flat all around. Then you want to bring the top over so that it goes around the gasket here of the filter. If it's not sitting perfectly on top of the gasket, it will not sit down flat and it will not seal up. Once it's down, thread in all the screws gently. You don't want to over tighten them because they are threading into plastic and you'll strip it out. If it strips out, you can't clamp this down tight anymore. So start anywhere but go around and tighten up all of them. There we go, that's tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.